Oh my. So anyways, so I bought the Vivitar wide angle lens and the Comica whatever shotgun mic, which is really good quality mic. And hold on. You know, it comes in this little case here, whatever, and it's got the little wind furry rabbit's foot thingy, I don't know. It's got a foam piece, you know, your mount, and then here's the actual mic. The only problem is the camera I use is the Canon HF R800 right there as you're looking at it. It does not have ghost power. It cannot power this mic, which really sucks because this mic has got excellent sound. It works on my phone. It just doesn't work with my camera, which sucks. So, you know, we're just gonna save that and keep that for some other time. But so I ended up, you know, the Vivitar wide angle lens, which is already on the camera. I don't know how well y'all are gonna see that. So I'm trying to edit some stuff, but it's already on. You know, it went on pretty easy. I kind of had to clean the mud out of the threads of my camera, which is probably not in the, yeah, I definitely abuse this camera. You know, it's not too much wider, whatever. It is heavy. It feels good. It feels like it's got good quality to it. And it shoots quite a bit wider, which I'll get y'all some, like, before, with and without pictures. So I ended up ordering this, the Vivitar or whatever mini zoom microphone. You can see that there. It's supposed to, oh yay, that's what it's gonna look like. Works with one AAA battery, so this one is powered. It is supposed to work with my camera. I don't know how well the audio is or is not, so we shall see. And right now I'm shooting this with my GoPro 5. Alright, so this is the contraption I come up with. Not the greatest, but if it gives a little better quality, then hey, I'm all for it. But what I had to do is I had to mount this upside down because when you, well, oh, I got the mic plugged up in there, but it was hitting the mic. It would come open like that much, and I couldn't open it, so I just mounted it upside down. But one thing I did have to do is on here, you unscrew this, and then your battery comes out, and you put your AAA in there. But there's like little, I don't know, little tabs. You can kind of see where they were, but I had to cut them out with a knife, like there and there, and because it wasn't letting the battery door close, which I can do. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it wouldn't, you know, it wouldn't let it close up. It's got normal zoom. I'm about to go out and play with it a little bit. I thought it was busted because, let it get back up. Right here is where it's like, you know, showing the sound, and it's, you know, picking up all that stuff. Well, it wasn't doing that a minute ago. I'm like, what the? I thought I was broke. No, I had it plugged into the headphone and not the microphone. So, yeah, well, I don't know. Y'all can see what I'm doing, but I know what I'm doing. Sneak peek. So yeah, we're about to go outside and test this contraption out. We'll see if it's better or not. I don't know. It's kind of heavy, but thing, you know, to get the mic out away from it, it's got that little tab there, which I can still mount. It still has another 1/4 inch screw or whatever you want to, whatever it is, so I can still put, you know, mounts and stuff under it. But I don't think it looks too horrible. Our room's a mess right now. You'll have to excuse it. Norbert, he's all mad. He tore his cage up again. Oh man, he flipped his log over and everything. So, hell, here I thought it was gonna be windy and stuff out here. So this is the, sorry I moved. This is the Vivitar Super Mic. Yeah, it's a little windy out here. It's plugged in right now. It is unplugged right now, so not super windy, but there's a little bit of wind. And it's on the normal setting right now. I will mess with the other stuff later. And obviously this is me behind the camera, but yeah, the mic is plugged in right now. And the mic is unplugged right now. So now the wind decides that it's gonna quit moving. Somebody needs to come weed in my garden or whatever. I hate that stuff. So this is with the wide angle on. Wide angle off. So I'm not moving. So we're just getting the Jeep and we're getting the Jeep in pretty good with it back on. So yeah, that's the Vivitar wide angle. I think it's a 0.43. Yes, 0.43 times wide angle lens. So we're getting the full four-wheeler in, and I'm maybe, I don't know, 4 or 5 feet from it. You know, here's me, and so you can kind of see, you know, four-wheeler's not too far from me. Almost touch it. So maybe this stuff will work out. It'll be, you know, fairly decent quality, so that way y'all can get a little better. So yeah, thank you, and I hope you enjoy. I know it's kind of really boring, but whatever, you know, I'll do better, I promise.